Hey everyone, welcome back to the BytePhase channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to configure general settings in BytePhase CRM so you can align the platform with your repair shop's exact needs. Let's dive in. Click the User drop-down in the top right corner. Select Business Setting. Go to Settings, then click on General Settings. Now let's go over the key options you'll find inside General Settings. Auto Round Off. Activate Auto Round Off for billing across the system. Enable Pre-Post Condition. Enable Pre-Post Repair Condition, which is visible on job form. Shows repair conditions before and after service on job forms. Enable GDPR Compliance. Enable GDPR compliance to ensure the lawful collection, processing, and storage of customer data with their explicit consent. Enable automatic invoice creation on payment. Automatically generates an invoice when a payment is made for a job. Unified invoice number for sales and jobs. When enabled, this setting will use a single sequence for both sales and job invoices. When disabled, separate sequences are used for each. Disable mobile number validation. Disables the validation check for mobile numbers during user registration or updates. Disable login with Google. Don't want to use Google login? Disable it here. Enable address validation for self-check-in. Require a valid address when customers check themselves in the self-check-in process. Once saved, your system will apply all preferences across the platform instantly, no extra steps required. And that's how to set up general settings in BytePhase CRM to match your workflow. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more quick CRM tutorials. Questions? Drop them in the comments. We're always here to help.